So how do we get back from a fraction to a percent? On problems like this, it's easy. This just means 3%, 17%, 50%. Remember, percent just means divided by 100. What about fractions like this, where the denominator isn't 100? If it's easy to get the denominator to be 100, we could always do that first. For instance, 50 times 2 is 100. What we do to the bottom, we must do to the top. So we can change 7/50ths into 14/100, which must be 14%. This works for the other two. 25 times 4 is 100, and 20 times 5 is 100. This trick only works on denominators that can easily be made into 100. What about fractions where the denominator does not easily turn into 100? Here we can use a trick that works on all fractions. Take 7 and divide it by 8. The first two numbers in your decimal are your percent. So fractions with a denominator of 100 are simple. Fractions with the denominator can turn into 100 are a little bit more work, but you can still find an equivalent fraction like these. But the calculator method works on all of them, even these and these. Just remember to divide top by bottom, and the first two numbers after your decimal are your percent. Everything else is just a little bit of extra decimals.